Thanks say sweeter than honeybee. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can see from now I don't go a country. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can see from now I don't go a country.
What else? Big word me can't spell. What? Today no spelling bee day.
Yeah, you study?
Yeah, what's the Uber writer?
Yeah, me study. Study.
Me don't have to study.
Yeah, fool. Me study, me I get some big word right today.
Alright. Let's see. Spelling bee.
Oh, you mean?
When teacher McDonald.
Hey,
McDonald.
hey.
When him again?
Yeah.
McDonald.
No man, me remember man. Hey, you can play the game. T.
One, two, one.
Good afternoon, students.
And
Today is spelling, and the first word for you, Mr. Skinny, is cow.
Teacher, how kind of big word that you give me? Give me one little one like mosquito, one little one. Mosquito? Yeah. Mosquito, yeah, a little mosquito.
Anyway, you, Mr. Big Joe, spell the word chicken.
Teacher.
Me can't spell it.
Tapping man. I might have to spell no man. Tapping eyes.
Me can't spell it.
Teacher. Me can't spell chicken, you know. Chicken spell KFC. Chicken. Anything spell word teacher again, son?
What do you mean? Can't spell
The
it.
eat letter word the teacher again, son?
Can't spell them big word.
Don't slide.
Lord God. Anyways, we go on to lunch, man. We go on. Done for caca part.